falling. Because I'm in love with you, yeah. I said I wanna give you what I'm feeling here, yeah. Give you love one of these days. I know the first time I saw you there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do something very different. I'm gonna try to do my own hair. I do not do my own hair. I always make my sister do it or somebody else in my family do my hair. So, or I pay to get my hair done. But since you guys know, if you watch my previous video, I'm not working currently. So I have a lot of time to experiment and I wanted to do my hair. So I washed my natural hair last weekend. So this time I put it on a braid last time. You guys can see I did a braid. If you watch my previous video, I said that. So I'm gonna try to do my hair. So I went to the beauty supply. Let me tell you, the beauty supply was a mess, a hot mess. So they was not letting people in group. We have to go one by one, and the beauty supply security, they hired security. He was really rude and disrespectful, and we just had to wait. It was a whole lot of mess, but I got a lot of stuff. So first I bought this hair. It's this jumbo hair. So it's gonna be Marley Twists. I'm gonna do Marley Twists hair, and I'm using the jumbo hair, not the Jamaican. Oh, it's the Jamaican brand. So Jamaican jumbo hair, and I bought the ombre one. This is an ombre hair. It has blonde in the end, brown, and black. I really like that ombre effect, and I want it to be cute. Since I don't have a job, I don't have to stick to black hair, so I want to do something fun. I've done burgundy hair before when I got my hair done, so this time I wanted to do blondish, and I like the pattern. It's $7.99. I'm gonna use that. I bought 3 packs of hair. Each of them was $7.99. I'm gonna try to make sure it lasts. I'm gonna make sure it lasts. I use all of it on my hair because I don't want to go over it. So yeah. Also, I have my Blue Magic grease. I bought jam, and I have 2 comb. I'm gonna use this comb to trace it, and I have a big one to pull my hair. I also bought this to hold my hair. So we're gonna get started. I have my mirror right here, which I'm gonna use to see the back. So I hope you guys gonna be able to see things, because this is my first time doing this. I am super excited, and I can't wait to see the outcome, because I don't do my hair on a regular basis. I don't do my hair at all besides washing it. I always get my hair done by people. So since it's quarantine time, for this time around, we can't be around people that much, so I want to do it myself, and I'm going to start right now. Forgot to tell you guys, I've been watching a lot of YouTube to see how I can do this. I don't think I'm gonna do a 3. I'm gonna do a straight up twist, so we'll see.
A few moments later.
Trying to do the twist method. I don't think since it's my first time, I don't think I could just do twist. So I did a 3 braiding, and then I later twisted to grip my hair more. It's my first time. I wanted to do just twisting. I don't think I can. Also, my hand hurts, man. This shit, my hand hurts. So this is my first braiding. So let me know what you guys think. This is the first one. This is how it looks. I bought 3 packs of hair, and it looks like my hair is going to be done. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if you've done this, but I have. When you're getting your hair done and you don't know if you're gonna have enough hair, so I'm gonna do a round. So if I don't have enough hair, I could have the round up and I still have time to go purchase the hair and finish the back. So I'm gonna do a round, and then whatever I have left over, I'm gonna put it back on the middle part of my hair. This is my first one on my hair. Oh my god, bitch. I feel like my edges was about to fall. Guys, it's Saturday now. I started this Friday at 3 and it's Saturday at 3 again. I started it. So this morning I had to go back to the store because yesterday I ran out of hair. But this is what I have so far. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking. I bought 3 packs of hair. Why was I thinking? Like, I don't know. Obviously I was not thinking at all. So this is what I've done so far. I did all the front, and the back a little bit. So I'm gonna finish the round. The reason why I did the front, because I like to keep it in a round. Don't worry, I'm on the wait line for my medical. I need my medicine, so I have to wait so I can talk to someone. That's why you can hear the noise. I can shut it off because I need it, because I've been on wait list for like an hour, 30 minutes. Around because I was thinking that I was gonna have 1 pack hair left and I could make it big in the middle. I didn't realize as I was doing my hair, I like the size that I'm doing it. It makes my hair look fuller, even though they're all different sizes. But since I have a big head, I'm gonna keep doing it small, and it makes my hair look fuller. So when I went there, I bought 2 more packs of this. I also bought 1 pack of this because this was $5.99. This is $7.99. So this one is like, when I ran out of the 2 pack of this, I'm gonna put this one wherever, because I don't want to spend another $7.99 if I could just put this color, which is cheaper, and it goes with it to give a different vibe. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Let's get started, and I hope I finish tonight because tomorrow I have to record a look and I need to finish with my hair before I record a look. Hey guys, I am back with the final product. I know this took 3 days, but like I don't know what to tell you, but this did literally took 2 days actually, because I finished last night, and today I'm just gonna do the final touch. I'm gonna do the hot water method because I see it locks the hair, it keeps it in, and then yeah. So before I put the hot water on the tip to make sure everything is smooth, I'm gonna show you my product. This is the final product. And this is my bag. So yeah guys, so I'm gonna use a towel. I'm gonna put it on my back. Like usually when you go to the hair salon, someone is holding your head. I'm gonna tip my ends and the front because I'm the one that's doing it. So I have my hot water. I think I'm gonna do each side. Gonna do it 2 sides to make sure I get most of it. I know I'm not gonna get all of it because like I'm the only one doing it, so I don't think I'm gonna get all of it, but I'm gonna try my best to get the most of it. But yeah, I'm gonna put the tip part in water just to make sure, you know. Wee! Wee wee. I'm gonna do the other side. Now, I know that you're not supposed to leave it for too long, so yeah. Come here. We're done with this process. So guys, you know with hair you have to, I like to add accessories in my hair because they make it look poppin'. So this is the accessories I'm gonna add. Gold. But for this hairstyle, I thought about it. I thought that silver would work better since I already have blonde tip, and I was gonna put silver here. Gold would make it look, I don't know, tacky in my opinion. That's what I thought. Also, I bought some shells. I have never added shells to my hair. I think when I was a kid my mom did it, but me myself never. So these are the one I bought. Waste my time adding the shell because it's like a lot of time going.
My superwoman, I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. If I tell you that I love you, oh.
So guys, this is it for me doing my own box braid. Let me tell you something. You can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing unless you get on my level. Unless you get on my level, you can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me I did not kill this, ate this, I did that. What I did was that, did that. You can't tell me nothing. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. And for you to start talk to me nice. Don't talk to me. Do you see this? Do you see this? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna add this to my damn portfolio. This is necessary. This is needed. This is what we've been waiting for. This is it. This is it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So guys, jewelry that I showed you, I have all of this. I'm grateful that I went with silver instead of gold, because silver gives it more of a chill. Gold would make it more, I don't know, but I like silver better. So guys, I think I did good, guys, for my first time. This is literally my first time. I've never done this in 24 years of living. I've never done that, ever. This is my first time. I feel like I have the braiding blood. I probably didn't know that I have it, but I do have the braiding blood in my vein. It's running through my vein, because look at my ancestor. For me to try this the first time and I did such a decent job, it's like, my ancestors are proud. They are proud. They did that. They did that. Thank you. Thank you. But guys, I think I did really good. I really like it. I like the jewelry. Like, whenever you do your own hair, when you put jewelry, it gives it a vibe, and also make it cuter. If you messed up, nobody would know, because the middle part, woo, it looks rough. But the front part, I make sure I took my time in the front part, so I try to make it look like human-like. I think I did that. The front part, I took my sweet time and make sure, like, literally, you see, guys? I make sure things was going smoothly. Like, let me know, how do you think I did? I think I did good. I think I did good. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I have more fun video. It's really fun here. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to do that, please. It really helped me when you subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm Anna Coco. I be chilling over there. You get more personality. So I hope you guys like this video, share, and also if you decide to try this hairstyle in the hair color that I have, let me know. Snapchat me, Instagram me, so I can repost. Let me know if you like the color that I chose. I really like the color that I chose. I think it's really cute. It's giving me very Beyonce vibe. You know, I'm not Beyonce. I wish, but I'm not. So I really like it. I think I did that. It's super cute. So see you guys on my next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe.